Hey guys, welcome to another tips and tricks for corelDRAW for beginners. On the previous episode, I kind of show you around all the basic tools that graphic designers or even people that do t-shirts, customized stuff with corelDRAW use. And today I'm going to talk to you about the fonts where you can download your free fonts. There are many others. This is one of them. There's also a Squirrel font where you can download your fonts that you're looking for. Really nice fonts. Some of them are paid, but most of them are free. You can download them for free. And as I said on the previous episode, good design makes a nice font. Sometimes you don't need a very fancy design. Most of my customers are happy with just a nice font and a good combination of letters and contour maybe and just a basic shape. So today I'm going to show you a basic construction logo with just a font and a few tricks with Bezier, which is the tool on the previous video that I use a lot for my design. So let's start with just a name, construction. Let's type construction. And basically I'm just gonna add some contour. I'm just gonna make this a little bold and bigger. So now let's add some contour and let's go here. All right, let's add 12. Let's start with that. Oh, too big. All right, let's make it smaller because we're gonna add another layer on top of that. That should be close to what I want. You can play with the settings if you don't want it that big. Just keep playing with the settings until you get the one that you want. So let's start with that. Let's go to arrange, break apart. And now let's pick on the contour and add another one. So, and let's break that one again. Range, break contour. Okay. Here we go. I think we got something here. All right. Let's highlight that. Okay, now let's pick on the black one and choose the red one and choose trim. Get rid of the black one. Okay, that looks nice. And I have many more tutorials. If you want to check out my channel, I'll be adding more tutorials. Now let's group this together. Actually, let's do group here because in case you don't like something, you can break them apart without the whole thing having to add contour again. Let's say break apart. Okay, it's separate, and you can do that with weld too. But the problem with that is that if you do it with weld, let me show you. Okay, it's all together, grouped together. Now you want to split it, that happens. That's what I mean. So don't use weld, use group together, and that should work better. All right, so now let's draw a nice house here. What I like to do with this type of designs, I do like a rectangle, and then on that shape I actually do use weld. Okay, now double click here, and here. Now let's make another roof, like another section here. Oh, I'll show you in a minute what I mean by that. All right, so let's focus on this. Now let's do a triangle. All right, that's taking shape now. right, that should be good. All right, now let's make another copy and copy here. All right, now let's highlight them both and do trim. All right, it's very important that you do this with your mouse because it is a hassle when you do it freehand. So I advise you guys to get a mouse because it is actually easier for me to do this type of designs. All right, so let's center. So basically it's all geometry. You just the more you practice, the better you're gonna get at this. Now let's put some windows in there. All right, it's taking shape. Windows are just like 4 squares. Grab another copy here. Highlight, click C on the keyboard for center. Make another copy. And there it is. Well, set some color. And you see how quick I am. And this is taking me, I mean, it's so, once you practice, the more you practice, the better you're gonna get at this. But it's basically, it's pretty easy, this type of design. So, and I sell a lot of these designs on eBay too. As if you've seen other videos, I show you my profile there. I sell some logos there, and people are happy with it. So you don't have to go all crazy on designs or complicate your life with a very complicated design. Just shapes and numbers and combination of contours and fonts. It's all you need. So let's make another copy here. All right, so this is pretty much everything I'm gonna show you. You can add like a chimney here. They're very easy to make. You can actually, let's do it on this side. It's 3 of them for a chimney. Don't matter, you can, I mean, everyone has their own style. So again, this is just basic practice and you can do it your way. I mean, this is how I make mine, but you can make it thicker if you want. Just make sure you use your mouse, like I said, or you can make it smaller, whatever. I mean, it's too big, it might be too big, but this is what corelDRAW is so easy to maneuver because it is so easy to make this type of designs, but it's all up to you. So this is pretty much it. This type of designs will be really easy to sell and convince your customer to have this. So anyway, thank you so much, guys. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe. That will help me create more content for you and show you more corelDRAW tips on how you can start your business, either whether it's graphic design or for t-shirts and stickers and all that. So thank you. I will see you guys on the next episode. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. I will see you again.